Hi guys, Dave in Texas here, and what we're looking at is a nice little Chibson SG that, this is a beauty. And it's not one of those cheap little bastards either. This is kind of the real deal, except for the rosewood, but this is solid, you know, mahogany on this thing, same as the next, solid maple, so it's like, damn. This is basically a Chibson that was built like a Gibson. Okay, now trust me guys, he didn't go to the fake route. Let's show you the head of it. Headstock's clean, alright, except for the open book, which that's a violation, but it doesn't say Gibson on it at least, you know. And on those headstocks, if it bothers people, I always tell them, just get someone with a power saw just to cut it straight across the top and it looks fine. Okay, that's the way the Texan, my brand of guitars is. I just tell the guys in China, just cut it straight across, therefore you don't have any problems with it. And I don't get in trouble with Gibson anymore. Alright, now, we're going to cut these old ones free, alright? And the problem I have right now is it's set way too low. We've got basically nothing on the high E and almost 2/64 on the low E, which is why it's fret buzzing like crazy. Alright? So, get the old strings off, clean up, oil it up. The frets are brand new. I don't think I have to fret dress it at all. But we'll oil it up, clean it up, set the adjustments on all this, and go from there. So hang in there, guys. Hi guys, Dave in Texas here. And we're pulling a switcheroo on you, okay? We had one of those SGs up on the table and decided to put a bone nut in there, so we're going to stop what we're doing on that one and work on this one. Alright, we're going to set it up for him. Now, as always guys, I put the Grumbacher, you know, linseed oil on there for him so that you know, be nice and take care of his fretboard. Alright, and of course it's like, how old is this guitar?
Only a few months.
So you didn't hardly play it?
No.
Okay, well the frets are fine. The only thing I need to really do on this is string it up and adjust the pickups. I think these are, this is too low, it's too high, but we'll see, because I have the tools to measure that. And this color here, I don't know what that's all about.
Yeah, there was like they had painted on where Gibson normally puts a sticker. They had painted it onto the, and so I took it off.
That's sad. That's sad.
It was sprayed on there.
Oh God. What you need to do is take a safety razor and back scratch that off there.
Okay.
You know. You lean it at a 45-degree angle like this, and comes right off. And you don't put a lot of pressure on it. You don't dig it into it. You just kind of just, you know, scrape it off. Alright, and guys, we're going to put some lemons on here for him. He's been playing with a little more pressure than that, you know. But anyway, excuse me. We're going to put some 11s on here. Let him play this thing like it's supposed to be played. He's been using 8s and 9s, which is really too light for an SG. You know, you lose a lot of that tone that you want from these little rockers. Okay? Alright, let's see. Oh, that's not sprayed on there, dude. That's deep. Well, take us home with you. Let me wrap it up with some tape, okay?
Alright.
Take that pick guard off there, alright?
Okay.
And if you shave it right.
Yeah, I was going to anyway, because get some of these edges.
Uh-huh.
You know, just like take some light sandpaper and get the edges cleaned up. Where did I lay it? Oh, there it is.
Anyway, if you do it right, you won't see any of that, okay?
Okay, cool.
That should do the whole job, though, for you. Don't need another one. Okie dokie. So, here we go. Got some of that nasty stuff off there, right? Of course, you can always take steel wool and polish that out completely. You know, get those lines off there. And I'll get rid of it, too. And then buff it with some polish. Polish it right up. Why do I keep getting bees in my shop? I'm just too sweet, guys. I attract honeybees. That are my Diet Pepsi's one other they like. Of course, when I used to play golf, guys, I mean, they were all around the tee boxes because people throw their cold drinks, their sugary cold drinks, and their candy bar, remains in the trash cans by the tee. In the summertime, next thing you knew, there's a damn big bumblebee nest in there, right? You have to fight your way to just the tee to tee up and run. You see people at the tee ahead of you, and they insist on playing the men's tee, the men's black tee, and they'd be chased by those bees. We say, the hell, we'll play the women's. We're not gonna get bit by a damn bee or stung by one. All right, so what I'm doing, guys, you've seen me do this a million times. I put it on the knob, right, the post, and I counter wrap it to the way that's going to turn. All right. This will stay still. Okay. Now I counter wrap it. Right. It's going to go around this way, so I wrap it this way so it'll hold, and it won't fly, it won't come off there. And I always put enough on there to get a minimum of 2 turns on there, so you can do drop D tuning, or you can do whatever tuning you want to do, actually. So without that, those extra loops on there, you cannot do alternate tunings. They'll come right off on you, and you're kind of screwed after that. So you want to get at least 2 wraps on your strings on this. And of course, again, guys, it's way too low for him right now. But we're going to get it strung up, and we're going to get that bridge adjusted on it, and we'll come right back and show you how he sets up and intonate it. So hang in there, guys. Okay, guys, what we did, we strung it up, we put the strings up, and we put his bridge back on, and now we're going to adjust it to where it's just in the right playing vernacular. Where this is 3/64 and this is 4/64. So it's just a little bit high, not much, but little. And now I gotta retune it. So hang in there while we retune this thing and make some final adjustments. Let's check the relief on this thing. Okay, so it's got a little bit of relief, which is what I like. Alright, not too much, but enough to keep it from buzzing. Somebody already did that. Alright, and it looks like they did it right for a change. Okay, now let's check these out and see where we is on the pickup heights. Those are always critical because you end up clipping the tone of your pickup and not let it play all the way through. Okay? It's like a bell curve, and cut the top of that bell curve off because it's too close. Or cut the bottom off if it's too far away, right? Okay, that's too close. That's about right. That's too close. That's too close. That's way too far away. And that's way too far away. So this has got to come up first of all. First and foremost, this has got to come up. It's working good. Yeah, let's check it now. Ah, that's it. Just barely touches. That's what I want. Okay? Okay, plug it in. Let's turn it on and play it. Alright, then we'll adjust the intonation and we'll be done. Okie dokie. What do you think?
Love it.
Does that other one have the same junk in it? The one I'm working on, has that junk in it?
What do you mean?
Yeah, the same trash and stuff inside of it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. The other one's supposed to be more quality than this one. The other one was more expensive than this one.
Once you set yours down, you got this set up already. Go pick the other one up and let's look inside of it.
Huh?
Look what we got in front of us today. We've got a Supreme. We got a Chibson Supreme Les Paul, and it is absolutely a honey beauty too. I mean, guys, look at this abalone. That's not fake. That's not plastic. You can't get that kind of stuff from just colored plastic, okay? And that is mother toilet seat, you know, in the fillings. But you know, it's got depth, as you can see it, okay? What they've done, they've lined it and then poured clear acrylic in there. So they did it right, and they did it really nicely. Not a bad looking Chibson, my friends. Hang in there while we set this up for him. Okay guys, we're back working on the Chibson, put some new strings on there for him. We're going to set this up for him. And right now, it's so low, the action is like 1/64 and 2/64, so it's impossible to play it. They got to come up, the bridge got to come up. So before we tune this thing up, we're going to go back here with a screwdriver and yank this baby up some, right here. So hang in there while I raise that. Hi guys, Dave in Texas here. We just got through setting up a little, oh, it's a Chibson, but it's a Supreme. And brother, it is a Supreme. It's really nicely made. 3 pickups on it and a 5-way switch on a 3-way. So not bad. What do you think about the setup?
I like it.
Pretty sweet.
Yes.
Cool. All right, let's hear some tones, guy. Push-pull, is it?
No, it's like it goes sideways.
No, I mean on your knobs.
Oh, on the knobs, no, they're just...
Okay, alright.
Yeah, they pull.
Oh, you pull it off? I'm glad I got that on tape. They pull real well. Welcome to Al's After Hours Bar. There you go. Cool, cool. All right, guys, any questions, give me a holler. Dave in Texas. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.